Hello friends, how are you all? Hope a lot better. I am also very well with your prayers and God's mercy. Friends, today I have come up with a new product among you. You must have seen the thumbs up and understood what today's video is going to be about. Let's start without further ado. Triple Action Immune Blend with Vitamin C, Zinc, and Black Elderberry Extract. Sambucus Elderberry Gummies are made from black elderberry extract. Elderberries have traditionally been used as a winter remedy for immune support. Full-spectrum black elderberry extract is standardized to If you like the video, you can share it and subscribe to our channel to get such videos. Thank you.